Welcome to Us Bike Pro, where we bring you the latest updates from the two-wheeler world. Today's spotlight is on the 2026 Yamaha Ray ZR 125 Fi Hybrid, a scooter that blends sporty design, smart hybrid technology, and everyday practicality for modern riders. Bold sporty design. The 2026 Yamaha Ray ZR 125 Fi Hybrid continues Yamaha's aggressive design language. Sharp body panels, muscular lines, and vibrant color options give this scooter a youthful and energetic appeal. Lightweight construction and compact proportions make it perfect for city riding while still looking premium and stylish. Engine and hybrid technology. At the heart of the Ray ZR is a 125 cubic centimeters fuel-injected engine paired with Yamaha's hybrid assist technology. This system provides a quick power boost during acceleration, especially useful in traffic and at signals. The engine is refined, smooth, and tuned for both performance and fuel efficiency, making daily rides more enjoyable. Mileage and performance. One of the biggest highlights of the 2026 Ray ZR 125 Fi Hybrid is its impressive mileage. Thanks to the hybrid system and advanced Fi technology, riders can expect excellent fuel economy without sacrificing power. The scooter delivers responsive throttle performance, ideal for urban commuting and short highway runs. Features and technology. The scooter comes equipped with a digital instrument cluster, smart motor generator, start-stop system, and side-stand engine cutoff for added safety. Wide tubeless tires, telescopic front suspension, and comfortable seating ensure a stable and confident ride in all conditions. Final thoughts. The 2026 Yamaha Ray ZR 125 Fi Hybrid is a perfect combination of sporty looks, smart technology, and practical performance. For riders looking for a stylish, fuel-efficient, and reliable 125 cubic centimeters scooter, this model stands out as a strong option in its segment. Stay tuned with Us Bike Pro for more latest bike and scooter updates.